I don't agree with it. I think they should, if it's culture and it's customary to do that, then they should do that and not take the dog meat away from the people who love the dog meat, because there's pressure from the Western world to do that. I think if you and your people want to eat dog meat, if you are dog meat eating people, then you should continue to eat your dog meat with your chopstick and sit on the floor.
No.
Well, they have till 2027 to stock up. By the way, everyone's just going to have freezers filled with dog meat.
I know.
Just I'm
going to get you a Petco. I'm going to get you a Petco membership so you can have meat for your family.
Dude, all the shelters are like, all these dogs are adopted.